Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Primal token. Name of the token is Primal, ticker symbol is Primal. Now there's been other Primal tokens out there in the past. I remember doing a video on another Primal token with the ticker symbol PRM, so don't get them confused. This is a newer token that just got a brand new central exchange listing a couple days ago. And there's a trading event going on for this token. Name of the token and ticker symbol are the same, both Primal. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us. So check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So not only 2 days ago did this token get a brand new central exchange listing, it also just got listed a day or two ago on CoinGecko. Brand new CoinGecko listing. You can find the price chart, contract address, all that stuff is available on CoinGecko. This is a Binance Smart Chain token. If I click on their BSC scan, it says so far they have 2,368 holders, 22,484 transfers, 18 decimal places, and a total supply of a little bit over 1 billion tokens. Now, their official webpage is getprimal.com. They also have a Discord, Medium, Telegram, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram. All those are listed on CoinGecko. So you can find this on a couple different lesser central exchanges, but it just got listed on a really good one. Just got listed 2 days ago on Mexc Global. So it got listed December 8th, 11 a.m. UTC time. And you can get this token. If you don't have an Mexc Global account, you're welcome to use that Mexc Global referral code in the description box. Basically, how you'd get this token is you'd simply just go right through that Mexc referral code in the description, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search Primal, which is the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So on their, so they have a Twitter @EnterPrimal. You can find a lot of information on there, especially their new announcements about being listed on Mexc Global, but they also have a trading event going on right now. They just tweeted about that, I believe, very recently here. So yeah, 12 hours ago, they just tweeted about this trading event. It says, exclusive referral event, more referral, more rewards. Over 1.5 million tokens in Primal up for grabs. So they have to enter details there. You could refer friends to trade, win, and share. Over 1.5 million Primal tokens, and to enter, you just check out Mexc Global's Twitter, which is @Mexc_Global. So that was just announced 12 hours ago, which caught my eye, which is why I wanted to make the video on this token, so you guys can go check out that trading event. Now, they do have a full white paper listed in the details there on Mexc Global's page. So it says, Primal is a move-to-earn infrastructure project that tokenizes fan-athlete engagement. The global sports industry has a backbone, the bond between an athlete and the fans, yet neither the fans nor the athletes own this bond, companies do. Tokenization recreates this bond, giving ownership of fan-athlete experiences and the love of to the rightful owners, the fans and athletes. Built and backed by the biggest move-to-earn ecosystem. It says plus 300 billion market and plus 300 million athletes and fans. Tokenization of fan experiences is already a major product in crypto. However, the approach is flawed given that tokenization is trying to manufacture company-fan relationships. There are none. Fans do not have bonds with companies, they establish bonds with people. Two best performing projects in the industry, Chili's, with its soccer tokenization, and NBA Top Shot with its basketball tokenization, have reaped hundreds of millions in annual revenue. Primal builds on the success of these platforms by going one step further, giving fans the ability to experience and affect the bond they have with athletes. Primal is doing it right, building fan tokenization where the fans have a mutual relationship with athletes, one-on-one interactions, and applied feedback that affects athletes' decisions. These are the raw and genuine interactions that fans seek and athletes wish to enable and scale. By enabling this fan-athlete bond, Primal tokenizes the global $300 billion sports industry. So mass-adopted technology compatible. Tap in with your device, level up your Primal NFTs by working out to increase the earning capacity. This opens a market opportunity of $150 million that already exists to users. 150 million users waiting to use their device for income, a benefit that they never expected before. The first mover on the protocol with FitFi. Previous move-to-earn projects like STEPN or GenoPets faced scaling and usability issues due to the nature of blockchains that they're built on. STEP Network is the first protocol made by Fitness Finance. Primal is the first to build a product on the blockchain made for fitness finance. Addressing the FitFi's market is the biggest bottleneck and expense. Primal is able to move to market faster, smoother, and onboard more users. The early mover advantage ensures Primal can become the industry leader powered by the leading blockchain for the FitFi economy. So it goes over the ecosystem explained here. Work out in real life, upgrade your Primal NFTs and earn, join your favorite athletes in the inner circle, learn from your idols and train together, support your favorite athletes by buying fan tokens. You can join their inner circles. Athletes and celebrities create their own ecosystem within Primal. They build their own training camps and interact with their fans. Star athletes get branded NFTs, advertisement opportunities, and build a true bond with supporters. And users pay Primal tokens to athletes' vaults, which gives them access to exclusive benefits mentioned above. So they have 250 plus Primal ambassadors from all different sports, like football, fitness, etc. They have a whole bunch of listed ones on here. You might recognize some of their names. More to be announced. They show you what the app interface looks like. You can subscribe to a newsletter if you want to do that. They have that on here. They also have white papers, socials, all sorts of stuff on here. Check it out, getprimal.com. You can find this token newly listed on Mexc Global, so check out that Mexc referral code down there in the description box if you don't have an account. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out, leave a comment down below too. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or what? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.